Good morning.
Good morning.
Here's Michael. It's Thursday morning. We just got up not too long ago and we're waiting on our friends to wake up now to start our day. But yeah, they're asleep or they're up there. Anyways, so look at our view. This is what we woke up to. Beautiful. I'm telling y'all, this town is like amazing.
That's amazing.
Yes, everyone we've met here has been freakishly nice. Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm good in my head.
Oh, oops. He's okay. But everyone we've met here has been literally so nice, like the nicest people like ever, which is crazy. Like, I don't know, it's just crazy. It's hard to explain. They're just really, really nice. And it's so pretty and so much to do. And we're so excited for the day. Our itinerary is we're going to the Durango Hot Springs, and then also we're going to hit up a winery. And then other than that, we're just going to see where the day takes us, and we'll take you along.
Yeah, see what happens.
Yeah. Good. Okay, we are walking to get breakfast at a place called Bread. Say hello.
Hello.
Hello. Woo, so cool.
Alright, walking to the store. Not the store, this place called Bread. Yep, what he said.
Going to Bread to get some bread.
Getting some bread at the Bread. Y'all ready to get some bread at the Bread? We just saw 20 deer. I don't know what they were there. Deer, kangaroo, cyclopses prancing all around us in the road. And I was trying to get the camera out, but I kept hitting picture mode. I was fumbling, I was nervous. They were like, literally like within like, I mean like feet of us. It was like probably at least like 5 to 10 feet of us. It was the craziest thing I've ever experienced in my life. Not even gonna lie, it scared me a little bit. Never experienced that in Georgia. So Colorado is lit. So what you got?
I got the ham and brie. It has ham, I guess brie is the cheese, and mustard.
How's it taste?
Pretty fire. I don't know if I'm a fan of the brie though.
Why?
And the brie's like the bread?
Well, I think it's
The cheese.
Interesting.
yeah, it's okay.
So like 1 out of 10.
Maybe a 6.
So like, you know, you definitely eat it, you know, but
I'm so
10-4.
Okay, me and Haley both got these turkey sandwich. How do you feel?
Not bad so far. I only took one bite though.
It looks really good though. It has a
Cranberries.
cranberry. Oh, where's my cranberry? Probably at the bottom. It has some sort of cranberry in there. But I'll let you know how I feel.
Well, she thought the sandwich was good.
The top! It's so high up here, guys.
Holy crap.
Dang, I just jumped off that mountain. Guys.
Kids, don't try this at home. All right, so we ended up right back where we left off.
Here's the snowman. We walked across the street, went up that way.
Yeah, we went all the way that way underground to this creepy thing. And then it was right here the whole time. So here's the entrance. Sorry, folks. We're about to go in this thing. Show y'all what this place is about. Thank you, sir. Thank you, good sir. You're a gentleman and a scholar. Wow. Oh, wow. Very good representation. Or, I don't even know what you call it. Looks good when you walk in. There they are. This is beautiful. Good, how are you?
Hi.
How are y'all doing?
Okay, so we're at the Durango Winery right now. Me and Haley Alright, we're getting started before the boys.
We're drinking on straight vodka.
Yes. So we ended up doing the wine tasting. It's only $10 and you get how many? Five little tastings for $10. We are on number 4. We didn't have the camera. He had the camera, so we didn't get to document it. But the boys are just getting started, so we can kind of document their journey.
Our journey.
And yeah, but everything I've tasted has been fabulous. What about you?
Me too.
Okay.
I personally like
There's
the
one thing you
Chardonnay
didn't like.
more.
The rosé?
The rosé was okay. I'm more of a dry girly and like no whatever. But the Chardonnay is better than the Chardonnays at home. Has like a citrusy flavor but not sweet.
Yeah.
So,
and I'm being
10 out of 10.
Good. I'm being a red girly today. I did have, what did I have? That was white. I think, I had the rosé.
You had the rosé, you didn't have
No, I had the
whites.
rosé, and the rosé was good, but my reds have been good, so, yep. Here we go.
This is the 365 red. My previous drink was the Cabernet, which was really good. I really enjoyed it. Let's see how this is. Cheers.
So Dean's had, so his son Paul, I don't know if you met him or not, but his friend.
I really like that. It's really smooth. You want to try it?
Sure.
Here, I'll trade off.
Okay.
And we had him come for a night before, and it was with his girlfriend. And they were fine. Well, 2 people.
It was good, but I don't know if I'd call it smooth.
Well, and this is
Compared to what I have here. This one I feel like is really smooth, which is, I don't know how to say it. What do you say it was called? Shimmer? Something like that. Anyways, I feel like this one's further. But, I mean, it's not bad, but compared to this, I like this one better.
Really good. What do y'all think of y'all's?
So good. Oh. Mine is pretty strong. It's great.
It's that Ruby Port Classic.
Ruby Port Classic. Which one's that?
It's like the liquor of wine.
Okay, all
Kind of
right.
like a brandy.
Strong.
Thank you, yours, Luke.
So the first one I had was a Sweetheart Red.
Is your thing dead?
It was a sweet wine. And it wasn't really sweet, but it was like sweet, if that makes sense.
Not
But
overbearing.
it was really good. I really liked it. I kind of want to get it again. So, but this one is the Mandarin Orange. It's a white wine. Oh, well, obvious. Let me try it.
questions like, is it your brother?
For any specific reason?
And why do you think that? And what do you
Which one do you like
That's
better?
really good.
so
If you could choose between the two, which one would you
If
choose?
I,
it just got weirder after that. And
I don't know. I think I do like the Mandarin Orange one.
Really?
Yeah, I really like that one.
Wow.
Cool.
Sweet.
and he had some mysterious.
Right on.
Okay, we're doing a quick little tour back here. This is where they do event spaces, and then it's like very artsy. Oh my gosh! This is so cool. So this is all in the back of this winery, okay? But yes, if you want to do an event here,
Wine bottles.
this is so cool. What they are? Oh my gosh! So all this is are wine
And there's a
bottles.
skull. Look, there's a skull in this one.
What?
You gotta get that skull.
This is so cool.
Wow.
So
Amazing.
okay. Here's a couch. Look how neat. Oh, the boiler room. Fascinating. What's this?
What day is that?
Wow. Oh yeah, there's restrooms back here. Oh.
Yeah, they have music every Friday, so they
She's never been here because I've never been. Look how cool this is.
behind you. The artwork is great.
Going further. Oh, the bathroom for the ladies. And then, oh, so it looks like,
Back there.
look at that. Oh, there's another one? And look, it looks like they do like music down here. What? This is gorgeous the way it's designed. Oh, look at the floor. Wow. I would have never known this was down here. This is so cool. Oh my gosh, this is literally like a secret hidden gem. Okay, so y'all remember this is the Durango Winery. Okay, so now we are so excited. We're at the Durango Hot Springs.
Yeah.
We're getting all checked in right now, then we're gonna get changed, and it's already like just looking outside, it looks absolutely beautiful. And we've never done anything like this before, so we'll bring you along.
Come on.
Okay, so we just changed into our swimsuits. Well, I'm still waiting on Haley. She's changing right now, and there's no one in here, so I would not be recording if there were other women in here, but it's just us. I want to show y'all. They have these wonderful heated floors, and so as for ladies, I don't know about the men, but for the ladies, you come here, change behind these curtains, and then they have you do a shower rinse before you go out. So we're about to hop in and do that, and yeah, and then we'll show you the hot springs and meet the boys outside.
Here's a picture of the map of all the springs. They're different temperatures that tell you the temperatures.
Oh, there's a sauna.
There's a sauna. There's all types of cool stuff on here. We're gonna explore it all, people. Woohoo!
Yay! We're so excited. Okay, let me show y'all. Hang on. Taking that from him. Okay. Look, it is snowing. Oh my gosh. We're about to set up, so they have lockers inside that you can pay for, which our friends are doing, but we don't have anything super valuable for us, so we're just gonna use the free little cubbies, and it's not super busy, so yeah. Very excited. Look how gorgeous. Look past this way. Can you see the mountain in the video?
Yeah, you can kind of see the mountains.
Okay, in real life, it's not showing up as good in the video, but there's a beautiful mountain. This is like paradise.
Paradise. I'm a hot tub crocodile.
Gosh, that's so scary.
All right, this pool that we're in, I don't know the number, but it's a lot deeper.
Yeah, this one
It's
is
97 degrees.
This is like the
97.
bigger adult one, so it splits off. I don't know if I said this earlier, but it splits off. One side's the adult side, and the other side's the family side. So this is on the adult side. We just got a new one though that was so painfully hot, it scorched us.
Well, not me. I didn't try it. I watched everyone else do it, and I was like, all right, y'all are crazy. So,
Yeah, so we're in this one.
yep.
Cheers, Bubba.
Cheers. We're just pool hopping, you know, spa hopping, you know. I like this one. 98, kind of small, but it's pretty nice.
Feels good. It kind of burns your legs a little bit when you come in, but it goes away real quick. We've been in some other ones that burns the whole time.
Like, you're just like,
Feels like it's boiling.
yeah, for real. I couldn't even stick my feet in for like 3 seconds. Maybe I'm just not trained enough to do this, but it was burning.
This is so cool. You got tubs everywhere. So cool. Amazing. Coolest experience ever. We're cold. Cold as ice.
12 degrees.
So, everybody, I went from here to there, back to here, walked through the grass, and it was cold. It was like walking through an Arctic slushy barefoot, and I don't recommend it.
Okay, we are in for the night. As you saw, the hot springs was beautiful, and Michael experienced it a little bit more than I did. I pretty much stayed in, well, I got into a couple different ones, but for the most part, I stayed in the one, just because I liked the views and it was comfortable, and I don't know, I was really cold, and I didn't have shoes. I don't know if I said that in an earlier video, but yeah, that was uncomfortable, but we had a good time.
Had a great time.
Yeah.
I went jumping around from pool to pool, and I mean, you literally got to run as fast as the wind blows, because it's so cold. I mean, I'm just not used to the weather. I mean, y'all, anyone that's from here, they're probably like, you know, but it was cold. If you're not used to the cold, it's cold.
Yeah, so that will do it for tonight, and we will check back in with y'all so y'all can see what we do tomorrow. Bye.